Hi friends, welcome to free CCNA packet tracer labs for beginners. In this video, we will see how to configure a simple VLAN. We will have one switch, then multiple edge devices. Then we have these VLANs, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. So we will see how to create these VLANs. Before coming to this lab, friends, if you wish to get these type of CCNA videos, consider subscribing, and also don't forget to enable the bell icon so that you will not miss any future videos. And also, if you wish to get any technical support, you can contact our team. Details are given in the description below. Okay, here is our Cisco packet tracer. First of all, we will design the topology for this VLAN configuration. Here we have one switch. We will use 2960 series. Consider this is S1. Then we will add end devices PC. Okay, we will have 6 PCs here. We will connect all these end devices to this switch S1. Coming to connections, we will choose copper straight through. Then from PC 0, fast Ethernet 0 to S1, we will connect to the first port, fast Ethernet 0/1. Then from PC 1, fast Ethernet 0 to this S1, fast Ethernet 0/2. Now coming to this PC, anyway, we will rename all these PCs. So coming to PC2, fast Ethernet 0. Here we will connect to fast Ethernet 0/9. Then PC3, we will connect to fast Ethernet 0/10. Then coming to this PC4, we will connect to fast Ethernet 0/18. Then this PC5, fast Ethernet 0/19. Here for the equal division of these switch ports, this I will connect to fast Ethernet 0/17. Then this I will connect to FA 0/18. So we can see this is in 1 and 2, this is in 9 and 10, then this is in 17 and 18. Okay, initially we told we have 3 VLANs. Consider VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. So consider VLAN 10 is for students, VLAN 20 is for faculty, and VLAN 30 is for management purpose. So just we will label these PCs. So PC0 we will give student. You can give student 1 or student PC1. Okay, we'll give student 1, and this is student 2. So these two PCs are in one VLAN. Here we have faculty 1. This is faculty 2. So these two PCs are in another VLAN. Consider VLAN 20. And this is for the management purpose. For example, MGMT management 1. And this is management 2. So here I will highlight the same VLANs with the same color, so it will be easy to understand. Consider this is student 1, they are in VLAN 10. So they are in the same VLAN, same subnet. So we will have all the details here. Then coming to VLAN 20, we will use this color. Faculty 1 and faculty 2, they are in VLAN 20. All the details will give here. Then coming to management VLAN, MGMT1 and MGMT2, belongs to VLAN 30. Here student 1 and student 2, these two PCs are in VLAN 10. So let me give the details here. VLAN 10, we will give the name as students. Okay. Then what are the ports we will assign to this VLAN 10? Here we will assign the ports from FA 0/1 till 8. We will assign to VLAN 10. And also we have to plan some network address for this VLAN. So here we will use 192.168.10.0/24. So it's easy to remember. So here are all the details for VLAN 10. Here we can see these two PCs, student 1 and student 2. It is connected to fast Ethernet 0/1 and fast Ethernet 0/2. So that is in VLAN 10. Right, so we have to do that configuration. Now here coming to faculty, this is VLAN 20. We will give the name as faculty. Then interfaces FA 0/, so we taken till 8 in VLAN 10. So here we will give from 9 till 16. Then network address 192.168.20.0/24. Now coming to VLAN 30, management 1 and management 2. These two pieces we will assign to VLAN 30. We'll give the name as management. Then interfaces FA 0/17 till 24. Also we will take this network address 192.168.30.0/24. So here we have three subnets, or we can say three segmentation using VLAN, right? So here just I can separate this. Okay, so here we can see VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. See here I put this division only for the understanding purpose, different VLANs, VLAN 10, VLAN 20 and VLAN 30. Here we will update this VLAN table. We can see VLAN ID, VLAN name, then network address, also the port assignment. So we have three VLANs. Already we have seen that VLAN 10, 20 and 30. So we will give VLAN 10. Its name is students. Then we taken the network address 192.168.10.0/24. Then we have seen the ports. It's from FA 0/1 till 8. Now we have VLAN 20. Then we will give the name as faculty. Network address 192.168.20.0/24. Port assignment FA 0/9 till 16. Then we have VLAN 30. Management 192.168.30.0/24. FA 0/17 till 24. Here we are going to create one more VLAN. Okay, we will choose 40 and we will give the name as unused. That means we are going to assign the ports which are not used to this VLAN, VLAN 40. So VLAN name is unused. Okay, and here we are not going to give any address, and we don't have any devices for this VLAN. We will assign only the port which are not used. So this is, we can say, not applicable. Then a port, we have two more ports. They are gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and 2. So GI 0/1-2. So these two ports we will assign to VLAN 40. Now we will design our addressing table. So here we have a device, interface, IP address, subnet to mask, and comments. Here we have these devices, one switch, so we'll give S1. Then we have end devices, student 1, then student 2. We have faculty 1, faculty 2, MGMT1, MGMT2. Coming to interface, for this S1 we will assign from this management VLAN. So here the interface is a VLAN 30. Then all other edge devices we have NIC. Now we will give IP address. Here for S1 we have to take from VLAN 30. So here we can see VLAN 30 192.168.30.0/24. So here we can see that VLAN 30. So here we will use the last usable IP address for this switch S1. That is 192.168.30.254. You can take any address from this subnet. It depends. Then subnet to mask. So here we can give the command SVI for management purpose. Then coming to student 1 and student 2. So here we can see VLAN ID 10 students. We taken this address 192.168.10.0. So here we will give the address 192.168.10.10 and subnet to mask. And this PC is connected to S1 FA0/1. Now student 2 we will use the next address 192.168.10.11. Then subnet to mask connected to S1 FA0/2. Coming to faculty 1, faculty 2. Faculty 1 we will give 192.168.20.10. Then subnet to mask. This is connected to S1 FA0/9. Faculty, here we can see faculty VLAN 20 and we taken this network address 192.168.20.0. So we taken from that subnet 20.10. So here we will take 192.168.20.11. Then subnet to mask, and this PC is connected to S1 FA0/10. Now coming to this MGMT1 management 192.168.30.0. So here we will use 192.168.30.10. Subnet to mask. It is connected to S1 FA0/17. Here we will give 192.168.30.11. Then subnet to mask. Comment connected to S1 FA0/18. Here our addressing table is ready. Now we will create the VLANs, that is VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30 and VLAN 40 in this switch S1. How to create the VLANs? We will go to S1. We have to go to global configuration mode. In CLI, enable configure terminal, in short conf t. We will give the host name S1. So here in global configuration mode, we have the command VLAN. Then we have to specify the VLAN ID. So first we will create VLAN 10. Then we will give the name as students. Then we will create VLAN 20. And even you can create from this specific configuration mode. We can see now we are in config VLAN mode. Without exiting from this config VLAN mode, we can create the VLANs from here itself. So we have to give the command VLAN, then VLAN ID 20, name faculty, then VLAN 30, name management. Also we'll create VLAN 40, name unused. We will verify the VLANs we created, that is VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30 and VLAN 40. So we will exit from this specific configuration mode and we will go to a privileged exit mode. So here we can give end. Here we have the command show VLAN brief. And we can see all the VLANs we created. Here we can see VLAN 10, we given the name as students. VLAN 20, we given the name as faculty. 30 management, 40 unused. Here we can see 26 ports from FS0/1 till FS0/24. Also we have 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, G0/1 and G0/6. And we can see all these 26 ports are by default in VLAN 1. Okay. So we have to assign the needed ports to our respective VLANs. And already we decided which port should be assigned to which VLAN. So here we can see fast Ethernet 0/1 till 8. We should assign to VLAN 10. Then these ports FS0/9 till 16 we will assign to VLAN ID 20. Then from FS0/17 till 24 we will assign to VLAN 30. Then other unused ports gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and 2 we will assign to VLAN 40. So we are going to assign ports to the VLAN. Conf t. We will go to interface as a range FA0/1 till 8. Switch port mode should be in access. Switch port access VLAN. So we will assign to VLAN 10. So all these ports FS0/1 till 8 assigned to VLAN 10. We can verify that. We can run show command in this specific configuration mode using do show VLAN brief. Here we can see these ports, these 8 ports FS0/1 till FS0/8 assigned to VLAN 10, that is students. Now we will go to interface as a range because we are going to select multiple ports. Interface range FA0/9 till 16. Switch port mode access. Switch port access VLAN 20. So we can verify with the show command do show VLAN brief. And now here we can see from FS0/9 till FS0/16, these ports are assigned to VLAN 20. Now we will go to interface as a range FS0/17 till 24, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. We can verify it, do show VLAN brief. And here we can see these ports FS0/17 till FS0/24 assigned to VLAN 30. Now we have only two ports remaining, gigabit Ethernet 0/1 and 0/2. They are in default to VLAN. We are going to assign these two unused ports to this VLAN 40. We will go to those interfaces, range G0/1-2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 40. Also, we are going to shut down all these ports G0/1 and 2 because they are not used. Shut down. End. Show VLAN brief. And here we can see the configuration from FS0/1 till 8 assigned to VLAN 10, FS0/9 till FS0/16 assigned to VLAN 20, then FS0/17 till FS0/24 assigned to VLAN 30, and two unused ports G0/1 and G0/2 assigned to VLAN 40. Now we will configure the SVI in this switch S1. So we have to go to that interface, that is VLAN 30 conf t. We will go to interface VLAN 30 and we can see line protocol on interface VLAN 30 changed state to up. Now we will set the IP address for this virtual interface. IP address, and already we updated in the addressing table. You can refer the addressing table 192.168.30.254. We taken the last usable IP address from the subnet. Then we have to give the subnet mask, end, copy run space start. Let me close this, and here we can see now these two PCs, student 1 and student 2 in VLAN 10, then this faculty 1 and faculty 2, they are in VLAN 20, then management 1 and management 2 in VLAN 30. Also we assigned IP address for VLAN 30 in this switch S1. Okay, now we will assign IP address to all these PCs. Coming to student 1 desktop IP configuration, here IP address 192.168.10.10, then subnet mask. Now default gateway or DNS server. In the coming videos we will have the default gateway. We may configure router on stick inter VLAN routing or inter VLAN routing using layer 3 switch. So that time we will configure the default gateway. So now coming to student 2 desktop IP configuration 192.168.10.11, subnet mask. Then coming to faculty 192.168.20.10, and here we will give 192.168.20.11. Then coming to management 192.168.30.10 management 2 192.168.30.11. Perfect. Now we will test the connectivity. Here we can ping only in the same VLAN. I mean, we can ping from student 1 to student 2 because they are in the same VLAN, they are in the same subnet. Then we can ping from faculty 1 to faculty 2 only because they are in the same VLAN and they are in the same subnet, faculty 1 and faculty 2. Also, management 1, management 2 also we can ping to S1 because they are in the same VLAN and the same subnet. So coming to student, we will ping from student 1 to student 2. Coming to student 1, command prompt. Here we can ping to 192.168.10.11, and here we can see we get the replies. But we cannot ping to we will not get the reply from the other VLANs. Ping 192.168.20.10. So here we are going to ping from student 1 to faculty 1. So it's not going to communicate. So we have to we should have a router or a multi-layer switch, and we have to configure inter VLAN routing. So that we will see in the coming videos. And here we can see we get a request timed out. So it will not work. Now we will ping from faculty 1 to faculty 2. It should work. Command prompt, here we will give ping 192.168.20.11. It's working because they are in the same VLAN, they are in the same subnet. Then from management, we can ping to management 2. Also, we can ping to the S1. Ping 192.168. This is 30.11. So we able to communicate from management 1 to management 2. Also, we can communicate to the switch because we configured IP address for VLAN 30. Ping 192.168.30.254. So this is the address be given for S1. So we may get 1 or 2 requests timed out, then it will succeed. So here we can see we get the replies. Perfect. So friends, in this video we have seen how to configure a simple VLAN. Now dear friends, if you have any doubt or any suggestions, please comment below, or even you can contact our team. You will get all the details from the description below. Stay tuned. We will meet again with the next video. Thank you.